Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. This one we can put s and s square. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root. Later that, we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. And this one we have 16 plus s square. Because we have s square, so I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 2s. Now we need to simplify number 2 and number 2. So this one that is about u. S square that is about this one. S, the s we change for u du. So u and u we have u square. So this one multiplied by this one and number 16. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one that is about u to the power of number 4 plus number 1. So this one we have number 5. Now you can do similar for the second one. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.